Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a Rummage sale haul. I picked up some stuff to put in my yard. I got a little red wheelbarrow, some like stones for stepping, but they're decorative. I don't think you really want to step on them, but they're cute decorations. What else did I get? I'm missing something. Oh, I got a little Dutch girl that holds the little pails. She was painted all gold. I primed her already with some white primer because I'm going to repaint her. And I got a craft goodness. And man, did I hit the craft goodness. I couldn't believe the prices on this stuff. So it was too good to not grab it. Yeah. I got Sizzix embossing folder for 25 cents. I haven't even actually, and they look like some of them, the tape was still sealed on them. So, it's like this. Oh, this one it's not embossing. Well, it's a letterpress plate. So I'll press that down into the paper, I guess. That's kind of cool. I thought it was a folder. My bad. No big deal. Alright. 25 cents. And then I got, this is Winter Wonderland Universal embossing folder for 50 cents. At one time it had 2 in, but it's got Wonderland, Peace, Joy. Cute. Does one look like snowflakes? Yep, for snow. Oh. Nope, this one. Yeah, one folder. So I did just that one. They're showing 2 different types. And this one, embossing folder with birds. X-cut, I've never heard of that. 50 cents. Somebody paid 3. I paid 50. See it. Then it was this one for 50 cents. A5. Then there's this one for a quarter. A lot of holidays. Little Christmas ornaments coming down. Yeah, you can see I got white primer on my fingers. And then I got this, 50 cents. There's another one sealed. Yep. What is this? I sealed it. Is good. Hopefully I got it now. Nope. Oh my god. There we go. So in this one, you got the little ones that says season and greetings, season greetings, happy everything, and then like a snowflake design. And this one has like ornaments of some sort. Yep, ornaments. 50 cents. I have a folder I'll put all these in. Then I got this one. Ultimate Crafts Universal Embossing Folder 5x7. That's kind of cool. Yeah. 50 cents. I went out by Diamond today in the little township that she lives in, that the grandkids go to school. They had their citywide rummage sales. 50 cents for this one. Cuddlebug. Look like a little scenery. A lot of holiday related. I don't care. I make Christmas cards, so. We got this one. Let It Snow. 50 cents. And then we got a stamp of a little girl and a bear. 50 cents. Actually had a die, but I think it's just a stamp. Yeah, just a stamp. That's what it looks like. Cute, 50 cents. But I bet you at one time you could buy the matching die. Jerry's Reflection stamp. Yep. You could buy the die if you wanted to. But that's alright. And we got this. And it says embossing. This thing's cool. I looked at this at Diamonds. And I'm thinking I could probably paint the texture down on that. Then we got a Spellbinders. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. $99. And then 75 cents for this. I didn't pay $2 for that. The tag fell off. I only paid like a quarter for all these. The highest of 75 cents. Two pieces, yep. So I got both of them. Then I got this little reindeer for a quarter. And I got this one. Sweetheart, love, love, birds, I love you, you and me, XXO, XXO, 25 cents. Got this little cute one. The reindeer and the snowman. And cute. Wild rose, 50 cents. Got some more embossing ones that were not ever open. For $1. It's like a floral one, and I can't tell if that's Christmas lights on that. Yeah, it looks like Christmas bulbs. Looks like that. $1. I don't know why somewhere. I think she just randomly put stickers on them. Got two more. Again, never open. I'm not going to take them out. Snowflakes, best wishes, peace, love, and joy. And they're both in there. And then we got, it's the magic of the season never ends. And its gifts are family and friends. 25 cents. We got Santa. We got an angel with a harp. We got some little people. We got a big one. Snowflakes for a quarter. We got this one for a quarter. And we got this one, choir. Or for what they call them at Christmas. Carolers for a quarter. Then we got the little mitten for 75 cents. Scott found these. I don't have the ruler, so I'll have to find me a ruler. But I thought nothing else, I'll just do like this. There were 4 wheels for $1. Got this design. And then this one. Yes, Scott went Rummage sailing with me. We did good because we've been exercising, and we figured this was a good way to do our walk today. And then we have this one. Got them for 75 cents. And then we have this one that says, "It ain't over until the fat lady sings," for a quarter. A little bossy folder that says "My love" for 25 cents. And then we got this one. It's just a scenery. for $1.25. Then we got all these. I don't know what this says or this says, but it looks like holly and angels in a Christmas ornament. I'll just stamp them out. Like I said, a lot of holiday. I love the holidays, so. Then we got this one. I thought she was pretty for 50 cents. It is only with the heart that one can go, it's only with the heart that one can see rightly what is invisible to the eye. An act of kindness long remembered. Some flowers, it's a Stampin' Up. And then we got this one for 50 cents. Look like it never opened. And I was like, oh, I want this so bad because it looks like the bricks. Been a good day. It was really nice here in Wisconsin. It was probably about 75. It's 58 now, but it was warmer today. Maybe mid-80s. I wasn't sure. I'm not positive. Then we got this one for 75 cents. Icky Attics Clear Stamps Birthday Lotto. Scratch off the lotto ticket and you may find that you won a gift of most extravagant kind. I wish I could give you a cruise or a car to show how special you are. Our birthday, can't read that one. But then it has all these little things. You can make a lotto ticket. And last but least, but this, I thought it was cute. There's a sticker I paid 75 cents for. This one back here. There's the sticker. 75 cents. And I thought this was cute. Let's see who makes this. Janie's gift frames, the little girl. Isn't it cute? I like the little girls. They're cute. Somebody originally paid $1. We lost a quota. But this was $20 at one time. Ain't that nuts? So that was cute. Looked like it never was used. So that is that from my rummage sale haul. Like I said, I got other stuff, but it's just too big to show. Like I said, I got a little kid's little wheelbarrow for yard decoration. So I'm decorating my yard on its got spads. And I've been picking things up here and there. Upcycling a few things as well. So that is my room sale haul. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.